it needs to be easy to use. You need to be able to get the traceability that you want out from it. And I think the data, like good data in, good data out is a big thing.
We've dropped in to see Phil from DP Engineering down in Redruth in sunny Cornwall. We visited them a little while ago to find out about PSL Datatrack. You've had PSL Datatrack since the late 90s?
Late 90s, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's been that long, but yeah, we can't remember.
Okay, so it's part of the family though?
It pretty much is, yeah. It's definitely ingrained in DP.
Okay, and it's a modular system, so you can go from one, I think it's up to 26. I'm sure Jeff from PSL will correct me, but you started with one, I'm assuming?
We did start with one, and we're now at the full package.
Wow, so just pretty much running the whole machine shop really, or helping to run?
It does help run the machine shop, and it definitely runs DP itself.
Excellent. So we did cover that in the last video, but there's been some sort of changes since then. A couple of those things. You've got these boards on every cell now?
Yeah, we've got PSL linked to all our machine centres within the shop floor as well as in the office spaces. But within the shop floor, we're using shop floor data collection. And so the guys are using PSL day in, day out, job in, job out.
How are they finding it?
No issues, easy to use. It's got a barcode scanning capability. So on some of the machines, we've got the barcode in. So it's a case of just scanning the barcode on operation. They're signing in and they're getting traceability that way. But it's kind of, yes, just second nature really within part of our process.
I mean, key to this is getting good data in initially, but then once you've got that data, you can follow through. So they've kept it simple in terms of bar scanners though?
Yes, correct. Yeah, it needs to be easy to use. You need to be able to get the traceability that you want out from it. And I think the data, good data in, good data out is a big thing.
Materials in terms of your metals and things like that are expensive, but also things like your paper. So you've gone paperless.
We have, or we're trialing it. We are trialing on some sections where we can and it allows us to. So we now have got our routines or our process cards. We have purely on the system itself. So again, we haven't lost any traceability. It's still within the system. It's just that you've not got that physical copy with you.
And it's easy to use, I'm assuming?
It is easy. It's easier to use. In some sense, it's easier to not have the paper there because you've not got that confusion.
I suppose it's also part of keeping not only up with the competitors, but ahead of them. So going that route, the guys might sort of push back and say, "Oh, I want my piece of paper."
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's all there. And again, looking back, it's a lot easier to look through as well. And obviously, for our AS 9000 accreditation, the traceability is a lot easier to dig through if you're audited.
9,100, so aerospace.
Correct, yes.
Okay, just want to clarify. But also, each machine shop is different, and that's one of the key things about PSL Datatrack, because we mentioned the modules, but you can phone Jeff and the team up or email them, whatever suits you guys. Say, can you just tweak this a bit?
It is, yeah. It's obviously our PSL is very unique to DP, but when we have a good idea that goes on a wish list, our wish list will get created for us, but if that's a good idea, then that will then get put into an update for other users.
Right, so overall PSL Datatrack is part of the family, making you a lot more efficient.
It is indeed, yes.
Phil, thank you very much.
No problem,
DP
Colin.
Engineering down in Redruth, sunny Cornwall. Thank you very much.
Cheers, Colin.